Good evening. My name is Mohammad Ayaz and I am from MS Electricals. We have developed Excel sheet for calculation of current according to transformer rating, selection of CT, voltmeter and ammeter according to transformer and supply voltage rating, fabrication rate calculation, busbar calculation as per material use, motor control center, power and motor control center, attendance sheet for companies with staff detail, attendance section and salaries. Here we are going to introduce our sheet busbar calculation as per material use. It must be aluminium or copper. This sheet is for the calculation of busbar material as per the material use. My name is Mohammad Ayaz and my mobile number is 9662540881 and my email address is msc.electricals@yahoo.com. Here material used for the busbar we have aluminium 0.8 square mm, aluminium 1 square mm, copper 1.6 square mm, aluminium greater than 1 and copper. We can use our material as per our requirement. The current density is changed accordingly. Multiplying factor is also changed and multiplying factor per channel is also changed. Suppose we are going to use aluminum is 1 square mm current density and there is 1, and suppose we are using copper as a 1.6, then in this cell we have 1.6 and multiplying factor is 0.009 and multiplying factor for channel is 0.0089. Suppose we are aluminum is greater than 1 and using this, then there is 1.5 and the current density is also 1.5 ampere per square mm. Suppose we want to change it 1.4, this is 1.4. Suppose we are using 1.1, then it is 1.1. Here we are using material used for busbar is aluminum with 0.8 square mm current density. Here is the different kind of current capacity of breakers we have used. That is 1600 ampere, 2500 ampere, 630 ampere, 250 ampere, 200 ampere. We can use different kind of a circuit breaker according to our requirement from this selection chart. As we can change our material use, there is a current material capacity of current draw is also changed. Here we have used aluminum in 0.8 square mm with current density. Length of a bus bar is 15 meter. Number of phases is 3.5. Suppose we can change this by selecting 3, 3.5, 4 or 1. There is a working feeder, standby feeder. Then number of feeder is 2. Weight of a bus bar is 5667.0. Difference between size of a bus bar we can choose from this 100 multiplied by 10, that is okay now, and difference is 800 mm, and 150 by 6, that is difference is 560, and 125 by 10, we can use 125 by 10 because here the difference is minimum and the actual current flow in a 1 bus bar is 1000 and actual current flow in a bus bar is 2000 as we want. Suppose we are using greater current capacity of breaker 2500 and 3125 is the material capacity of current draw, and you can select it from 150 by 12. You can correct it by 125 by 10, but the number of run is increased, so you have to select 150 by 12. And then we have circuit breaker use. Suppose we are not using these three breakers, then circuit breaker use is 4000 and 5000. And suppose we are not using these two, then circuit breaker rating is circuit breaker use is 1250 or 1600. If we are using one number circuit breaker, then there is again a 1200. And if we are using second number of breaker, then there is 1600. And the current density is according to this material use. Length of a bus bar we have to select. Number of phases we also have to select from here. The weight of a bus bar is 108. And suppose we are using 125 mm, and if we are using one, okay, the bus cover, if bus cover is present, so we have to select here number of total number of feeders we have to increase, that is 2, and bus coupler is present. Bus coupler is 1250 mm, 1250 ampere. We have to select the bus coupler size. Earth bus bar we have to select from here. Aluminium 0.8 Di, aluminum 1 square mm, copper 1.6 square mm, and Di we can also use Gi. And the total number of weight for the bus bar is 506.93. Additionally, we have to use 5% for our simplicity, and total weight of a bus bar is 532.3. There is a labor, bus bar labor and bus bar. The 5 bus bar we have to use 529.87, 250 is multiplying factor, and there is a bus bar. Earth bus bar is also used, and the total rate of bus bar is 142.716.47, 1,42,716.47. If you want to purchase this set, then contact me on my mobile number 9662543881. My email address ms.electricals@yahoo.com. My name is Ayaz Sheikh. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.